Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1995 to 2004 Tacoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Jack up your vehicle. Remove your body mount bolt and bushing. Cut off the factory double cab front bed mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Using the opposite side of the frame for reference, measure the distance between the outer edge of the rear cab mount to the outer edge of the double cab front bed mount. Using your measurements, mark where the outer edge of your double cab front bed mount will sit using a paint marker. Step 4. You can temporarily install the mount with its bolt and bushing to achieve proper alignment. Holding your rear cab mount up to the frame, tack weld the part onto the frame. If you temporarily install your bolt and bushing, remove it at this time. Then, weld the part on fully. Finally, paint the part with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your body mount bolt and bushing. Then you're done.